mission was quite specific. The asset was to be terminated.
We're on a mission to steal the Millennium Falcon.
We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember.
He's so ready. He's so ready to climb in that Millennium Falcon. He wants to go to some other planet.
Welcome recruits. Come on in. This way for me. This way over the markets, please.
Stop touching things. Just keeps touching all the buttons. He loves the buttons. And all the switches. He's ready.
Supervise your
Oh
lanes.
boy.
Por
Oh boy.
favor,
Our own
permanezcan sentados.
spaceship. Oh boy, Baby Yoda is so excited right now.
Alright, our
he's
cargo
gonna-
goes under our feet.
Now, don't touch anything.
Press the button for me. Yeah, you gotta turn the ship on before we fly.
Oh, Baby Yoda wanted to touch it.
Alright, you guys are ready to go, okay? Fly safe and earn some credits.
Engineers. Automatic repair engaged.
Touching stuff.
Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Only one gunner.
Stop touching things.
Oh, Baby Yoda's so happy right now.
Those heavy guys are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Gunners, blast away. Blast. Ah, there it is. After that train. Left pilot, brakes.
Wow, yikes. Bad.
Oh, my
Baby
friend,
Yoda,
that
you
could have been
not
much
fight.
worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes,
Waxy,
you
we
got
found the
one.
waxy.
Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I gravity go maximum. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Do you see those big white rings? Would you fly through them?
Uh-oh. Baby Yoda is flying terrible.
Well, it's harder than it looks. Gunshot! Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We got to get out of here. Yes. A distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. We did not die. Let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is...
We got the asset right here.
Whoa! Looks like we are ready to unload.
He don't want to go. He wanted to steal the Millennium Falcon. He wants to fight again. Uh-oh, more. He sees more buttons. He sees more buttons. I know. Kylo's gonna come right now.
The spy was trapped here, a small outpost on a small planet. Your mission was clear. You will await further orders. I will see this outpost for myself.
Yes, sir! Troopers! You have the honor of escorting the Supreme Leader. Sir! Everyone here, all of you, you're hereby ordered to help us find that traitor. And if you are against us, you yourselves will be branded one. Enjoy your day.
Baby Yoda refuses to get off the stage. I don't know what the lieutenant's gonna tell him, but we shall find out.
Troopers, do you see that thing? That thing is contraband. I want that man questioned sooner than later. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I hope you've got a Mandalorian following you, because you're going to need him. And call IG to get in here next, too. Detestable thing.
We will be watching. Traveling in groups does not make you less suspicious. All units, possible resistance scout. Track, but do not engage.
Go, 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 go. Hurry up. Hurry up, bye. Go, bye.
All travelers are subject to interrogation.
I think I found a perfect spot over here. You staying hidden from the First Order? I'm trying to grab as much intel as I can. Is the Force strong with you? Yeah, the Force is strong. Nice. We always need new recruits to join the Resistance. You want to join us too? Yeah, he wants to join. Oh, so I see a box over there. I think it might have some intel.
He hasn't seen me yet. He hasn't seen me yet.
Nice. So you must be a spy like myself, huh?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Alright, I think it's my best bet.
Please remain